What's good? Welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing another video for you guys on this nice day. I'm here with a get ready for me for my birthday because today's my birthday. I just want to get cute because my friend Diamond from school is coming down. She never been to my house because we live far from each other. She lives an hour and a half away and we live in the same state. So yeah, I'm just gonna get ready in front of the camera for you guys. And I'm also trying out Fenty Beauty. Yes, black owned Rihanna. I love Rihanna. So I got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. This is how it comes. It comes in this type of container. It had a sticker, but I took it off because I wanted to test it, but I didn't put it on my face. I just put it on my hand. So it's still a first impression, feel me? Then I also got the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer because as y'all know, I only wear concealer. I don't really wear foundation. So I brought the concealer in the number 410. It's more like a neutral type of color because I'm more neutral. I'm not cool, warm, toned it. I'm neutral. But yeah, so let's just get into this video, okay? I'm also using my friend's lashes. She has a lash brand called Leah Beauty Bar. This is how it looks like. If you see my eye red, I'm sorry, it's not in my eye. But I'm gonna start off by applying some primer. I'm gonna be using the NYX Shine Killer. I was gonna test this product out on camera. Actually, I did, and I did check-ins throughout the whole day and stuff, but I deleted the footage off my SD card, and when I went to go edit it again in Premiere, it said that I couldn't locate the files. So, oh well, make sure to put it on my nose because that's where I get the most oily at, and I hate it. Like, I don't know why is my skin so oily? Just why? Now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty concealer and applying it under my eyes. I'm so glad that this concealer is not watery. That's how I know that this concealer is good. Now I'm just gonna blend it with my brush. I'm gonna go over my eyes too, just so like it matches. Okay. I feel like this color really matches me. Like, at first, me and the lady in Sephora was having a problem. I'm like, I never brought Fenty and I don't know my shade. I was the difficult customer in this quarantine time. This shade is perfect. Hold on, I gotta look closer. Add some extra light so I can see. Cause I'm type blind, kind of, but this concealer, okay, Fenty. Okay, I see you. Just a little bit more because I got dark under eyes and I didn't color correct, so I'm gonna need more concealer. Definitely my skin color. I wasn't looking for a highlighting type of concealer. I just wanted a skin tone concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder. Just pack it like this. Okay. I am so glad, guys. Do y'all know how long I was looking for like a powder that don't make me look ashy? Now that the face is halfway done, I'm gonna leave the highlighter and the blush for later, but I'm gonna work on my eyeshadow now. I'm gonna dive into my Juvias Place palette. I'm gonna take the Jezebel color and go into my crease with it. First, I just added the color into my crease. Now I'm just blending it out. Now I'm just gonna dive into the color Dahlia and just apply it to like my eyelids. That's why I took a concealer flat brush, because I'm just packing it on there. Now that that color is packed onto my lids, I'm gonna fix the line between my crease and then my lids that you guys obviously see. I know it's messy. That's all I'm doing for the eye look. I'm not going all out because I'm wearing lashes, and I feel like when you wear lashes, the eye look don't even freaking matter, okay? So I finally put on the lashes. It took so long. Today was a bad day for lashes. I thought I was a pro. Nah. For highlighter, I'm gonna use this NYX Jelly Lighter. A bit jelly. Just like so. I'm gonna blend it out in a second. Right now I'm just applying it because it's a wet product. This is something like you want to move slow with, or you'll just end up fucking up your whole face, okay? I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop highlighter and then just go on top of where I applied the wet highlighter. Just not too much, because I still like the purpleness in the jelly highlighter. I just want to add more shine. Alright, that's good, that's good, that's good. Not do too much, okay? We're almost done. And no, I'm not doing my eyebrows. These days, people want to look perfect. They want to have everything done up. I mean, you can if you want to, but I don't want to. I'm gonna apply this NYX blush, and I'm also gonna blend out the highlighter while I apply the blush. We're gonna move on to the lips. So I'm taking a brown lip liner. Blend it out just a little bit with my finger, because notice how I stopped the liner right here. Now I'm gonna apply my NYX butter gloss. Okay. Lastly, go in with my NYX setting spray. Are we done? Are we done? Are we done? Are we done? Alright. Alright. So yeah, this is the finished look. Something light, feel me? This is my get ready with me for my birthday. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Cause you know you like me. You know you like me. I'm cute. I'm funny. I'm entertaining. I talk that but yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll just see you in the next one. Later.